Bitcoin is right now cooling down. Everyone asks me what is happening. I get actually 5 till 20 messages a minute on all platforms. What is happening? Where are we going, Slavik? And this question will today answering you, and I show you also all my positions right now. And it's very interesting because we are moving here right now between the monthly resistance and between the daily support. You see how perfectly we're moving up and down, and which direction we choose right now. This is what we will speak about. Bratans, if you appreciate, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Let's go right now and watch into the chart. So first things first, in my opinion, the relief rally is not over, and to understand why it's not over, we have to zoom out on the total crypto market cap. This is very important, to watch the total crypto market cap. This is one of the indicators which I always tell you, where we see are we going down or up. So right now we broke here this big resistance line. You see, since May 2022, so 1 year old resistance, we broke it to the upside. We're finding here support at this white line. You see perfectly we're bouncing. This is the total crypto market cap. So it looks very healthy. The relief rally is not over right now. And how we identify the bottom, you remember, we watched our previous higher high of the previous bull market, and I told you as soon as we touch the total crypto market cap of this previous higher high of the previous peak of the bull market, this will our bottom. And exactly this happened, and then we saw this relief rally to the upside. So it's not over yet. Also, we have to watch S&P 500 in order to understand, are we right now going down? Is the relief rally over? No, obviously not, because you see here this massive resistance line, which is over 1 year, actually 2 years old. You broke it to the upside. Now we see right now some cool down, which is very healthy. And what is much even more important, if I'm open here, the EMA, what is very bullish, you see we broke here above our 20 moving average. See this red line, and it seems like it's still 11 days to go that we're closing above this. This is highly bullish, and right now, no, we are not back in the bull market, but the relief rally is not over right now, right? So these are very two big indicators which we have to watch. And right now, let us watch for us day traders where we could go here right now. Closing again the EMAs, because I already showed here with these lines where the supports and where the resistance right now. And if we are watching right now on the daily, bratans, so it's very clear in my opinion where we could go right now. Right now, yes, it's possible that we see a cool down here, maybe to this daily support at 21,400 or maybe even to 20,988. However, our target is very clear. The first target will be again our monthly resistance at 24,278. The next one will be our weekly resistance at 25k approximately, right? And the next big resistance, the really big resistance, this is the monthly and weekly resistance, is coming at around 27,500. So it's still around 15% to go, and we could even go to 30,000 or 35,000. Why? I tell you in a second. But 27,500, this is at least what I'm expecting here for this relief rally to the upside. So still 15% to go, even though we could see here a dump to the daily or weekly resistance. So if you are jumping right now in the long, make sure that your stop loss is below weekly or the daily support. Very important. So at least below 20,500 or even below 20k. In my opinion, not financial advice. You have to do your own research. So I show you also, wait a minute, in a second, I show you here my position. So one Bitcoin trade is right now open, $1,200 in profit, $44,000 in profit. And here is the second one. Wait a minute. Here's the second one, which right now $15,000 in profit, 913% in profit. So this is amazing. And now let us right now quickly watch on Ethereum, because a lot of you ask me for Ethereum. Oh no, why 35k? I'm expecting for Bitcoin. This is the last price target. Why? Because you see this white line. You see it's a support line from 2020, so 2 years old. Support, and here it was a resistance. So the biggest resistance coming at 35 or 36k even. You see, it would turn into resistance. However, the biggest price tag which I expecting is 27,500, but obviously we could go even to 35k, and then we see some cool down. Sell in May, go away, like they say always in the stock market, right? So still relief rally not over, but we could see some more cool down, obviously, right? One more thing what is very important, if we are going here on the daily right now, and we see also here on our smart money dump money indicator, wait a minute, where is it? I have to a little bit move it up. You see here the red line. Wait a minute. This red line, this is dump money. If this line is at the downside, dump money thinks we are going further to the downside. What happened? Guess what happened? We see huge pump. If this red line is above, then dump money thinks we are going up, and usually we see dump. So right now also this speaks for that we will see the relief rally has not come to an end. We will see much more pump to the upside, even though we could see correction to 27,500 or to 20,800. However, relief rally not over in my opinion. Not financial advice, but Ethereum, where are we watching for Ethereum? The big monthly resistance and weekly resistance coming to 1,800, right? So there's a lot room to go to the upside. So first price at 1,728, the next one 1,837, around 10% at least to go to the upside. Obviously we could see correction 1,538 to the daily resistance or to the weekly resistance at 1,486. However, if Bitcoin pumping what we expect, because relief rally is not over, I expect that Ethereum will go to 1,800 at least. In my opinion, we will even go, wait a minute, I zoom out, we will even go Ethereum, we will see even Ethereum to go at around from here at around 2,500 or even 3,500. Why 1,500? Because you see, if I'm here drawing here this line at 2,500 and I make this line right now white, you see here, look at this, a lot of support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. So 2,500 is a crucial line, 2,500 is a big resistance line. At the 3,500 we have another big support and resistance area here. If I draw this line right now here, you see here a lot of resistance coming in, and here it was support, here it's support and resistance, and here again a resistance. So between 2,500 and 3,500, this is what I'm expecting Ethereum to go if Bitcoin further pumps to the upside. And why I'm expecting Ethereum to go so high? Because it's very obvious, because Ethereum has a big update in March coming. So a new update in Ethereum, and you know what we are saying in the crypto and stock market, it's buy the rumors, sell the news. And when the event is happening in March, I'm expecting huge dump in Ethereum and also obviously on Bitcoin. So my trade is still open. What I'm doing here with my trade, bratans, you know where I show you when I'm closing a trade, when I open new trade, when I add to my position. This in our Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, and on our Discord channel you get even a crypto trading course also for absolutely for free for advanced and for beginners. So very important, absolutely for free. How to join it, bratans? It's very easy. Here, wait a minute, this is our Discord channel, by the way, and here I showed you also my trades. Here you get courses and so on. Here I showed you also speak about the resistance, support, and so on. How to join it, bratans? It's very easy. You see here in the description, make a registration on Bybit through my link, deposit $500 on your Bybit account. You can use it for trading, investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or just let it there how you want. And then you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. And we have also for advanced traders, we have also a group which is with the $30 only monthly fee. We will increase it to I think at least $100, because there you have even a crypto teacher 1 or 2 times a week where you can ask questions. You have really classes, you have reports of new altcoins several pages long, and so on, and even more signals. But for now, for beginners or medium traders, this free groups is absolutely enough. So very clear in my opinion, bratans. So if you have any questions, write me in the Telegram group. I see you there. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.